Tip 1. First, prepare a clean glass bowl. Add some water, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and gently stir until it fully dissolves. Next, place each egg into the bowl and gently rub the surface with your hands. The baking soda helps remove dirt, impurities, and even any slight odor on the shell, making the eggs cleaner and safer to use. Then, transfer the eggs into a pot and add enough water to fully cover them, placing it on the stove. Making sure the eggs are completely submerged is important. It helps them cook evenly from the outside in, preventing the top from being undercooked while the bottom overcooks. The water also helps distribute heat evenly, reducing the risk of the shells cracking due to temperature differences. As a result, the egg whites cook evenly, the yolks turn out nicely firm, and the eggs are easier to peel. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat slightly and continue cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, peel the eggs. And insert a wooden skewer into each one for easier handling. Next, place a skillet on the stove. Add plenty of cooking oil and heat it over medium heat. Then, take 10 slices of sandwich bread and trim off the crusts so the bread becomes softer and easier to shape. Place 1 egg on a slice of bread, then cover it with another slice, like a sandwich. Gently press and shape the bread around the egg, making sure it fully wraps the egg without any gaps. Repeat until all the eggs are used. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. I'd love to see us connecting from all around the world. Once wrapped, roll each one in grated Parmesan cheese to create a coating. This helps give a beautiful golden color and a rich, savory flavor when fried. Once the oil is hot, carefully place each bread-wrapped egg into the pan and fry. Turning them gently so they brown evenly on all sides. After a few minutes, the outer bread layer will puff up slightly, turn a rich golden brown, and become crispy. At this point, remove them from the pan and place them on paper towels to drain. Finally, arrange the eggs on a plate, cut them in half to reveal the inside, and serve with the sauce. The crispy outer layer combined with the soft, creamy egg and the rich sauce is sure to be a hit. Tip 2. First, pour 250 milliliters of water into a pan. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Next, add 300 grams of flour, stirring constantly until the flour and water combine into a single mass. Once the mixture is well combined, turn off the heat and set it aside to cool slightly. Then, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the dough is ready. Now transfer it onto a cutting board and lightly dust the surface with some flour to prevent sticking. Remove the dough, roll it out flat, and divide it into 10 equal portions. Take each portion of dough, roll it into a ball, then flatten it into a round shape with a diameter of about 10 centimeters. Next, place a pan on the stove, add enough cooking oil, and heat it up. When the oil is hot, add each piece of dough to fry. Fry each side for about 30 to 45 seconds. Then flip and fry for another 30 to 45 seconds until the pancakes are golden and crispy. Repeat the steps until all the dough is used up. As soon as the cakes are lifted out of the oil, place them on a plate. And take a look. Wow! The crust puffs up slightly, turning a deep golden brown that looks incredibly appetizing. Take a bite, and you'll immediately hear that satisfying crunch, crispy on the outside, but soft and chewy on the inside, with a rich, nutty flavor that's utterly addictive. It looks simple, but you'll be hooked from the very first bite. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.